Welcome to Cooking Corner. Today's recipe is ragi hit or ragi balls. It is also called as finger millet. Let's get started. The ingredients are: I have taken 3/4 of a cup of water. This is water in room temperature. I have also taken 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 cup of ragi flour or finger millet flour. So here I have taken a pan. You can use a wok as well. Now into the pan I will add the ragi flour or the finger millet flour, and then I will add the salt and the sugar, and next I will add 3/4 of the cup of water, the whole thing into it. Now we will mix it really well, gently, till it gets nice and even so that it doesn't form lumps. We will mix it in this way. So here we can see that our finger millet flour has mixed well with the water. Now we will allow this to soak for at least 15 minutes to half an hour, and then we will cook it. Now I will keep the same pan on the stove, and now we will adjust the flame to medium to high, and we will gently start mixing till it boils really well for a minute or so. Please note that you will have to constantly keep stirring it, otherwise it will burn in the bottom, as we are cooking it in a very high flame, that is medium to high. So we will allow it to cook for a minute or so by constantly stirring it without leaving it even for a minute. Now after a minute we will slow the flame to simmer, and we will cook it like this, stirring it continuously. It will form a lump very soon, so please be quick while mixing it in this way. And I suggest you to take a non-stick vessel for this. You can also make it in any steel vessel or aluminium vessel as well, but please make sure that you use a thick bottomed pan for it or a vessel for it. So here you can see that it is almost done. Now we will add half a teaspoon of ghee to it, and we will mix it, stirring it quickly so that it does not form lumps. And that's it. Our ragi is almost done. Now we will switch off the flame and make balls out of them. So after switching off the flame, we will allow it to cool down slightly, and then we will just take it in our palms like this and make balls out of it. You can also grease your hands using ghee, and we will keep it aside. Similarly, we will grease our palms with oil or ghee and make lumps out of them. In this way we can make balls. You can see it's nice and beautiful. And we will roll it in this way gently. You can see it looks nice and done. Please make sure that you make the balls when the dough is slightly hot. It shouldn't cool down completely, otherwise it might crumble apart. So here are the absolutely delicious and healthy and tasty ragi balls or finger millet balls. You can serve them with any types of gravies and curries. You can check out more of my YouTube videos for it. Thank you so much for watching Cooking Corner. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.
We made absolutely delicious ragi balls. Please make sure you cool down. We make absolutely delicious ragi balls, and you can serve it with salad or gravy or white rice. And thank you so much for watching.